Today we are diving deep into a Beijing Universal CityWalk. Not just the theme park, but the entire district. And the breathtaking Temple of Heaven, a massive UNESCO World Heritage Site and Ming and Qing Dynasty sacrificial complex known for its symbolic circular architecture. Welcome to Temple of Heaven. The Temple of Heaven Park is expansive, covering an area of approximately 273 hectares. The grounds are divided into two main sections, an inner and outer area, enclosed by double walls. The outer wall spans over 6,400 meters in length, while the inner wall which surrounds the main building is 3,292 meters long. Today, while it remains a significant historical site, the grounds serve as a popular public park where you can often find local practicing Tai Chi, singing, or exercising, particularly in the mornings. We took some pictures of ourselves at this beautiful landmark. The Temple of Heaven Park in Beijing is open every day. However, the inner attractions are closed on Mondays. Only the park grounds are accessible. The key historical buildings are closed for maintenance. The Hall of Imperial Zenith, located north of the Hall of Prayers for Good Harvest, acts as the heavenly warehouse or bedchamber of the altar, designed to store memorial tablets of deities and the emperor ancestor. Al, so beautiful. We just finished at the Temple of Heaven and we are now heading back to Wangpujing. Entrance to the Temple of Heaven Park costs approximately 15 to 35 CNY, depending by season and ticket type. Senior age 60 and above, including the foreigners, enjoy free admission with a valid passport and ID. Children under 18 years old also enter for free. Gate of Golden Temple, Temple of Heaven. Tama, loko. This park we are walking in is still part of the Temple of Heaven Park. Oh, nice na. Ayun yung horse. Ah, sandali.
We're going back to Wooden Yuan after the Temple of Heaven.
Kailan din pala layo, no? Okay. All right.
Ito yung opposite na, no? East and west. Ayan na.
Last ko na to.
Steps and do not rush. Please keep an eye on your personal belongings. Have an epic day.
The Universal CityWalk Beijing is a free entry entertainment, dining and shopping district located at the entrance of the Universal Beijing Resort. Serve as a vibrant gateway connecting the subway station to the theme park. It features numerous restaurants, shops, and the city's largest IMAX cinema. No ticket is required to explore the area. Let's go!
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.